Hey guys, here's a video of a couple different jobs we've been doing in the past few months. Just hadn't had a chance to put them all together yet, but we're over at the shipyard right now doing a little maintenance on our equipment. Got one of the barges out. We're getting ready to pull some floats off of it and put some new floats on. We built this thing, shoot, I don't know, probably 10, 15 years ago, if that long. But I kind of ran it in some rocks and probably hooked the bottom of the floats with my Traco. Learned my lesson on that, but we're gonna get that cleaned up and get it back in working order. You see we got our steel barge down here in the slip. We're gonna be pulling that thing out. We get Traco off of it first. Got a travel lift here behind me. There you go. Get that thing picked up, get it brought up here on land, and we're gonna go ahead and do a bottom job on it again, get on the inside, grind it down, repaint it, try to do a little bit of rust preventative maintenance on it. You gotta do that. If you don't, things are gonna end up sinking on you. So we try to stay ahead of our maintenance on these things. They just cost too much money to let them rot away and then sink with the tractor on it. It sucks. Here's our wood one over here. Built that one a long time ago. It's a good transport barge for carrying materials and stuff. I've even had the Tracos on this before too. I've had a 308 Cat and I've had my 50 John Deere on it. I've put a lot of rock on it to mobilize the rock to different areas to get it put in place. You can see some of them floats. We're getting the floats busted out now. There's a couple there behind me. I got some new ones on the way. Once I get all those floats in there, we got 80,000 pounds of flotation underneath this thing. It's crazy. Appreciate y'all checking out my page. Give me a like if you like it. Got Chief and Scout there. Got Gal laying up front there. Hey Gal, say hey everybody. Right, Scout? Good boy. For a rotten pole down there, got to pull it out, hook a chain around it, and get it yanked out. While Carson sits there and watches.
I'm supervising.
Oh, okay. So we need another supervisor. Hey guys, I'm gonna get a lot of phone calls at my office. I don't hardly ever go to office. I'm always out here in the field working. And since this is a YouTube thing, I'd like to keep it just to YouTube because more interaction on YouTube, the better it does for my channel. So if you would, please just send me a question or a comment and I'll respond to you on the YouTube page. Thanks guys. Come on, Cap Carson, smile. Hey guys, here's our next project. Got a 200-foot dock here. Old dock's been here for a while with a Sundeck style boathouse, as you can see right out there. We're gonna get this all taken out. Actually, the guys are pushing a barge around right now. They're on the other side of Gulf Breeze. The wind's out of the north now, so it's getting a little rough over here. But hopefully make it around before it gets dark. But taking this whole boathouse out, whole dock out, gonna build a new dock and new boathouse. Next reclaim project, fixing to come out right now. Head to the reclaim yard. Start demo this tomorrow, weather permitting. We're looking at 20-mile-an-hour winds out of the north and raining, so we'll see how it works out with a barge over here. I'll try to walk out this thing right now and hopefully not fall in the water. You never know, some of these older docks, what condition and shape they're in, where pilings are. Quite a bit at the end of the dock is gone, as you can see. The platform's been tore up, so we got to get up there and tear all this down, tear the stairs down, and get started all over again. All this is going to be demoed as well. Like that? Nope. Turn that $10 board into a $1 board. Sorry about that, babe. All right, let's try it again.
Yeah.
We're gonna need a water boy. Good save. There you go. Got all the dock demoed, so got to get the boathouse out. Getting ready to start setting pilings. We got the batter pole set up. Thank God everything's finally calmed down. Cannonball! Poles a day, 160 foot of dock set, not bad.
Not bad.
That's me.
Not bad. Something landed on it or something. Came out with doing that. You got some?
pole set on this side, we can move to the other side and block a lot of these waves. It'll be a little bit calmer for us. There's progress for this week. We're going to have our Thanksgiving weekend off, so we'll be back on Monday. Hope you enjoy your Thanksgiving. Marine treated boards notched out for stairs. You got to be really careful when you're choosing these here too, because of the deep cuts you're doing in here. If you get one that's got a split down the middle or a crack on it, that's what you end up with right there. So you really got to watch it. Make sure you got good lumber when you cut, and you see the cracks in there, then those cleats just fall right off. We go back with a little bit of copper tox on them after we get them cut out and try to retreat the open areas that we've cut. Help prolong the life of these stairs a little bit. There's just nothing you can do to keep these things staying around forever. Y'all, thanks for checking out the video. If you like it, give me a like and subscribe if you don't mind. I got several more videos coming up, and as I get time, I'll get them posted. Thank you.